In today's video, I'm going to show you how to search for words in Google Docs the easiest way. Imagine you're working with a large document, maybe it's a report or an essay, and you need to quickly find specific information buried within all that text. It can feel overwhelming, but with a simple shortcut, you can save yourself a lot of time and hassle. To get started, first open your Google Docs. Now let's assume your document contains a considerable amount of data or text. Perhaps it's a long project, a detailed article, or an in-depth analysis. Naturally, there might be times when you need to locate specific words or phrases within this document. This is where the search function comes in handy. Instead of scrolling endlessly or scanning line by line, you can use a quick shortcut to streamline this process. Press and hold down the Control key or Command on a Mac, and then press the letter F. Instantly, you'll notice a small search bar pop up, usually located in the upper right corner of your screen. This is your new best friend when it comes to navigating through words in your document. In the search bar, go ahead and type the word or phrase you need to find. As you start typing, you'll notice a remarkable thing happening. Google Docs will immediately highlight every instance where that word or phrase appears in your document. This feature helps you pinpoint exactly where the text is located without any extra effort. Each of these highlighted areas will stand out, making it easier to spot the information you need. You can click through each occurrence of the word by simply pressing Enter, or using the small arrows that may appear beside the search bar. This cycle allows you to jump from one instance to the next quickly. Let me share a few tips to maximize this function. If you're searching for a word that could appear in different forms like run, runs, partist, or running, make sure to expand your search terms to catch all variations. Additionally, if your document's content is case sensitive, remember that this search tool typically isn't, so it's usually forgiving of uppercase and lowercase differences. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently maneuver through lengthy documents, whether you're editing, analyzing, or just gathering information. It's a practical skill that, once mastered, will greatly enhance your productivity. So there you have it, a quick and easy way to find words in Google Docs with just a couple of keystrokes. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in simplifying your digital document navigation. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to boost your efficiency and make your tech tasks a breeze.